Good morning everyone and welcome back to today's video on the channel. So today we are actually heading off to London. It's 7 in the morning and I need to go pack my bags because I just leave everything last minute, which is not a good thing. So let's go do that and then we'll take it from there.
Just be careful not to touch it because it can burn.
So being told not to do that made me more inclined to do it. So yeah, I ended up doing it and my arm fell off. Alright, so I'll give you guys a quick tour of the pool. So it's actually quite big. So we've actually got a sauna and steam room there. As you can see, it's very, very big. Then we have a jacuzzi at the back. And then we have all of the nice skyscrapers in the background. And actually we have a view of the O2 over there. Yeah, it's pretty lit actually. I do not suit wet hair, do I? Yeah. Your boy looks like a boiled egg. Okay, so we just came back from swimming and we're heading out now to go get some dinner. I'll probably do the room tour when I come back, but yeah, that was pretty fun. Also, I'm actually wearing my new jacket. I don't know, in my last room tour, I actually showed it. This is the new jacket. It's pretty sick. But yeah, that's what I have to say. Alright, so the audio didn't get picked up, but that's all good because I was just talking about how nice the area was, and basically I was just talking about how I was going to start the accommodation tour. So one of the first places that we started was the gym, which is pretty good because they have a lot of equipment, as you can see, and there's actually another room in the back which will come up just about now, and this is where you can do like cardio or just anything you want. Yeah, and it's pretty good. Okay, so we're actually in the gaming room of the accommodation. It's pretty standard. You have puzzles, board games, and you actually have a table tennis table and a football table, which is kind of cool. So, and also a very large Jenga and foreign room, which is very large as well. So this space is a very nice way to be sociable with the other tenants in the accommodation. Yeah, it's just a great place to be after a long day at work. Yeah. Alright guys, so we're actually on our way to Madison Rooftop. I thought I'll bring you guys with me as it's the last thing that I'm doing tonight. But yeah, I might show you guys some stuff, I might not. We'll see how it goes. So this is the room tour, which I'm going to go through very quickly. So straight away, this is basically the corridor. We have a mirror here, and then to my left is the bathroom. It's very, very small and dirty because we just used it, but as you can see, pretty standard. Next we have the kitchen, so we have a breakfast bar here with some utensils and basically just anything that you would like to decorate here. Then the freezer is here. Next we have electric hob, microwave oven, the bin is down there, got a sink. There are some nice plates and bowls, pots and pans up there, and this is the same thing over here. So this is the wardrobe here. It's quite spacious, got a little safer. And then here we have the bed, which is very nice, tucked away in the corner. Got some nice shelving over there. Then right in front of the bed we've got a TV. And then to complement everything together, we have this lovely view over here.